If you think that the most expensive materials on Earth are gold, diamonds, or platinum, then you are wrong. The most expensive and rarest substance in our world is antimatter. Currently, 1 gram of antimatter costs $62.5 trillion. And no, it is not a joke. Think about the fact that the largest economy in the world, the USA, had a value of $25.4 trillion in 2022. So 1 gram of antimatter is worth about 2.5 times the US economy. How is this possible? The only place in the world where antimatter can be manufactured is the CERN Antimatter Factory in Switzerland, which can produce only 1 nanogram of antimatter per year. Antimatter is the term used to define the opposite of matter. In the same way that the term day defines both the 12-hour period of daylight and the 24-hour period that includes night, the term matter is used to define both the opposite of antimatter and the totality of matter and antimatter existing in the universe. Antimatter is made up of antiparticles. If the atoms that make up the objects used by humans are made up of protons, electrons, and neutrons, the so-called anti-atoms will be made up of antiprotons, anti-electrons, positrons, and antineutrons. An antiparticle differs from a particle in that it has an opposite charge to the particle, but has the same mass. If a particle collides with its antiparticle, the two annihilate, emitting gamma rays, high-energy photons. According to scientists, when the universe was formed, 2 equal amounts of matter and antimatter were created. Therefore, the two quantities should have annihilated each other. Due to a still unknown fact, this did not happen, and the amount of antimatter in the universe is currently very low.